Alright, YouTube family, here we go with another video. We have full service interior detail. It was extremely dirty because there were threw up inside the vehicle. As you can see, it was a lot of trash back there as well. But it was no problem for us. We pretty much just went on ahead and got started. We steamed it. After we steamed it, we went on ahead and pretty much wiped it down with our all-purpose cleaner and used our rags and our gloves and our mask pretty much to save the sanitary. Once we got everything vacuumed up, we went on ahead and shampooed it. And after the shampoo, we pretty much just wiped it down, re-vacuumed it. We took the mats out. That one I already took the mat out of, but we took the mats out. We hit it with a good brush, just because that one actually had a lot of syrup on it. So we did brush that one off. We did brush the other one. We sprayed it with our pressure washer. With the inside being clean, you get your final results. Pretty much everything is cleaned out. The back seats look pretty much brand new again. No throw up anywhere. And that's it, man. This is our full service interior detail. We went through and we professionally cleaned this whole car. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you all like and subscribe for our content. The more you like and subscribe, the more videos we make, and more share, the more we'll get more likes. Thank you.